Now, welcome to this video on Sine Rule, and today we shall be looking at working out the missing angle. In this question, we have a triangle with an angle 60 with sides 10 and 15, and then of course you have the missing angle x, and of course you want to work out the angle x. So what you will be doing again, you will look at the sine rule, which kind of looks something like this. Well, I should say we have sine A over A, which is also sine B over B. And of course, you can see that the sine A here for this is x. So you do the sine x divided by A, which is sine 10, and the sine B, which is sine 60. And of course, you divide that by side B, and side B definitely is 15. So what we're going to do here, we're going to cross multiply. So you're definitely going to have sine x, which will be 10 times sine 60 degree. And of course, divide this by 15. Okay. All right. So we're going to see how we get this solved. So I'm going to multiply 10 times sine 60 and divide it by 15. So I'm going to have 10. Okay, I'll put it like that. 10 times sine 60. And of course, divide that by 15. Definitely you get this number 0.5774. Okay. And of course, to find the angle x, I will need to do the sine inverse of this. Okay. So you will find that angle x will be 35.3 angle. Okay. So what that means is that this missing angle here definitely will be 35.3 degree. It's kind of very simple. Okay. So that is the same thing you also do here. Okay. Again, you want to do sine x divided by 20 centimeter. Okay. And sine 43 divide by 14. And so to get sine x, you multiply 20 times this number. So you got 20 times sine 43 and divide by 14. And to get x, you do the sine inverse for everything here. That's 20 times sine 43 and divide by 14. And to get that done, I will need a calculator. So here's my calculator. So I'm going to try everything here. The sine inverse of 20 multiplied by sine 43 and divided by 14. And of course, when I do that, I will get this answer 76.9. Well, I should just say 77 to the nearest whole number. Okay. So that would mean that angle x definitely will just be 77 degrees. Okay, so that means the angle here is 77 degrees. Okay. So this is just the method you use if you will be looking out for the missing angle. And again, I want to say thank you, everyone. If you have any objection or you have anything you notice, please reply me in the chat. Okay, inside the chat button. I do hope to see that, and I will respond if I have to. Okay. Again, thank you so much, everyone, and do have a wonderful time.